If you have an in-ground swimming pool with no main drain, but you want to drop your water below the skimmer, I'm going to show you a trick how to do that. When closing your swimming pool to drop it below the skimmer, just empty it as low as you can before it starts sucking air in here. What you're going to need are a Kreepy hose. That's the Kreepy Krauly hose right there. And you got this part here, it's also from a Kreepy Krauly. And it goes right in. Now, I'll have a link down below. You want one that has rubber on it, not just plastic. Because you want these to bend a bit when you're pushing it into the hole. Put it together like that. Now, for this, make sure all the air is out. Now, this one's short enough that this is not going to touch the liner at all. If yours is longer, you might have to put your vac on it, just so it doesn't suck on the side of the liner or on the bottom. And as it's going down, I'm going to push that in there. Just like that. It's not going on the liner at all. Now, this pool has 2 skimmers, but I'm just going to show you what it would do on the other one without that hose. So right now that's as low as it likes to be before it starts sucking air. But we want to get it below the skimmer. The other skimmer is working fine. Okay, once you get it below the skimmer, the water's not going to go back in. What you want to do as it's running, you want to pull this because we got water in here. So if we pull that, most of that water is going to go right back in, so it's going to be less to blow out. And that's how you lower your water below the skimmer.